Ladies and gentlemen, hello. My name is Scott McDonald, your police chief. In November of 2014, the Orleans Board of Selectmen appointed a police station building committee to explore 4 possible alternatives to address the deficiencies at our police facility. Those alternatives are renovate the existing building, add on to the existing building, demolish the existing building and replace with a new building on the existing site, or a combination of all the above. The building committee and the police department clearly recognize the importance of conducting a transparent process that includes educating our citizens on the current conditions of the facility. Ultimately, we hope to bring a fiscally responsible project to the voters for consideration.
It is well known that the mechanical systems at the police department facilities are deficient. In recent years, thousands of dollars have been invested in an attempt to maintain these failing systems. Heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. As identified by 2 independent studies, the majority of HVAC and distribution systems equipment is over 25 years old, past its useful service life, and needs to be replaced. Maintaining proper climate control within the facility has been an ongoing challenge. For example, in the past year, the heating system has failed 14 times. Additionally, in the warmer months, the air conditioning routinely malfunctions, jeopardizing critical equipment. Plumbing. Hot water piping is over 27 years old, past or nearing the end of its useful service life. The majority of fixtures are not water conserving and do not meet current accessibility codes. Additionally, hot water in the building often runs out. Electrical. Electrical distribution equipment has reached the end of its serviceable life and space capacity. There are several existing wiring system conditions that are not acceptable according to current code standards. There are insignificant numbers of receptacle outlets. Extension cords are used in place of circuitry wiring, which pose a safety hazard. These subpar conditions inhibit the necessary technological upgrades in the current facility. Water damage. The current facility is 49 years old, having been constructed in 1966. Due to its age, we continue to experience numerous leaks throughout the facility. The water damage caused by these leaks has been extensive. Police records have been destroyed, electrical systems have been affected, the basement has been flooded, and black mold was discovered, which required costly remediation. Air quality. Many areas don't have proper ventilation, causing poor air quality, nuisance odors, and moisture and mold growth issues. Cell block ventilation does not meet the current building code requirement. General safety. The current existing facility does not address current safety standards that protect employees, detainees, and visitors alike. The facility lacks adequate ballistic protection. Officers are clearly visible from the exterior in various locations within the facility, causing safety concerns. The site lacks secure parking for police cruisers and personal vehicles. Detention area safety. Holding facility. The holding facility is comprised of detainee processing area, detention area, and detainee drop-off. Detainee processing area. Due to the increased amount of required detainee processing equipment, we no longer have adequate space to safely process detainees. Protruding sink, sharp corners on furniture, inward swinging doors, and exposed lockers. Detention area. The detention area houses 5 holding cells, 3 male, 1 female, and 1 juvenile. Due to monitoring equipment failures at the present time, 2 of the male cells are out of service. During mandatory annual inspections, the Massachusetts Department of Public Health has consistently warned of potential suicide risks in all holding cells. Detainee transfer. The transfer of detainee from a cruiser to the holding facility possesses many safety hazards. Modern police facilities are equipped with a dedicated sally port, which is a garage capable of accepting a cruiser or an ambulance to maintain security and control at every step of the process. Currently, the Orleans Police Department has a multi-purpose garage where traffic control, cruiser maintenance, and janitorial equipment are stored. creating dangerous conditions for both the officer and detainee. In addition, the garage will not accommodate an ambulance. Communications. Technology shortfalls. Modern police facilities are equipped with necessary technology to provide security for the facility, controlled access, detainee monitoring, and support investigative functions such as interviews and interrogations. Currently, the technology systems in place at the police facility do not adequately support these necessary functions. As previously stated, 2 of the 3 mail cells are out of service due to the failures of the audio equipment, which cannot be fixed. The current recording systems for interviews and interrogations rely on outdated analog systems and are not compatible with commonly used digital technology. This has resulted in consistent failures and has jeopardized criminal cases. Communications. At the heart of any police organization is communications. Police communications encompass the following: radio communication with police personnel, information sharing, business and emergency call taking, documentation of calls for service, monitoring facility security, monitor and manage access control. Unfortunately, our dispatch console has reached its life expectancy and is on the verge of catastrophic failure. It is not supported by the manufacturer, and replacement parts are difficult to locate. Miscellaneous. In addition to what we've just discussed, there are several other issues that need to be addressed. Lack of fire sprinklers, not handicap accessible, no public restrooms, inadequate employee locker space, fragmented property and evidence, lack of storage, and inefficient workflow.
I hope you found the video informative, and as the process continues, I invite you to attend future building committee meetings where your thoughts are not only welcomed, but they are appreciated. Thank you. And if you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me at the station.